Hello, everybody. This is Bill the Adjuster with an easy tip for you today. Not a lot of stress, not a lot of time. Probably outside barbecuing or having some form of outdoor activity. Unbelievable stories come in every single day of the week, and I hear this more than most. Oops, that's going to leave a mark. From a famous movie, I think that's from Tommy Boy. But what I see on a daily basis is people have their grill or their fire pit just a little too close to the house. So take a look here. We've got the typical gas grill set up not too far away from a vinyl sided house. Grill gets too hot, chicken catches fire, flare ups, just too much heat, left it on, set it to clean, you name it. It gets too hot for the siding. Gets too hot for the siding, it causes damage like that. People look at it and go, that's going to leave a mark. And they blame whoever lit the grill or put the grill or cooked the food. You name it, it becomes a family problem, but it's a covered loss. So this is not excluded under a special form policy. So if you have an HO3 sort of policy or similar, you would have coverage for this. Now, what does that include? We're not sure. Is the siding available? Is it repairable? Depending on the state you live in, what we call matching statutes kind of regulate how much siding is due based on the claim. But for the most part, the walls that are damaged get replaced. So in other words, it could be greater than that. It's generally not less than that. But ultimately, this is still an insurance claim for thousands of dollars. Siding is really easily melted, by the way. It doesn't take a large amount of temperature. A little over 150 degrees will start to melt siding. So a fire pit that's too close, some of those gas fire tables, fire architectural pieces. Even I've seen the electric radiant heaters too close facing the wrong direction or down have done the same. But with today's supply chain issues, materials are harder and harder to get, and they're limiting the amount of products made. So your claim is all based on those factors. So depending on the amount of the melt, if it actually caught fire, there actually may be smoke involved. And we also have to put the property back generally to code, which may include some insulation, some air barrier stuff. But long story short, it's actually a covered loss. Can be substantial. But please don't beat yourself up too much. Just tenderize that meat. Don't tenderize the spouse that was doing the cooking. I'm Bill the Adjuster. Again, a HO3 policy, if it's not excluded, it's covered.